Hey you guys, it's Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So it is Tuesday, which means that is the 52-week money challenge. So it is week 30 and we are at $706. Now before we get started, make sure you go and subscribe down below and wait until the end of the video because I will be making a special announcement about what's going on with the next week's 52-week challenge, so you do not want to miss that. All right, so we got a lot of numbers to go through. So the lucky numbers that we are going to be pulling from is $6, $28, $225, $22, $42, $48, $13, $33, and $17. So that is a lot of numbers. And as always, I do have my snowflake box and it has all of the numbers in there. So we are going to just go ahead and pull it. Let's go with this little bitty one. All right, so the lucky number is 28. So 28 is Rhonda Weber. Congratulations. And thank you for always commenting on my videos and supporting me. So $28 is how much we are going to be putting in this week. So I'm just going to move this out of the way for right now. And we are going to be coloring in number 28, which is right here. And that is going to get a green. So we are going to be coloring that in. So how are you guys? Are y'all still working a lot? I am working. I'm about to actually be on a vacation. When you're watching this on Tuesday, I go on vacation on Friday and I do not come back until August 3rd. So excited, even though I just got back from vacation for my brother's wedding, but this is like our annual vacation, the one that Jared and I always take together because it's his birthday week and everything, and we usually plan something big, but this month or this year we're not really doing anything. We're just going to chill at our new house, you know, just be broke. But it's going to be really fun. We're just going to visit family and everything and just spend time with each other, really. So this is what we're going to be doing for the next week. So the $28, and we colored it green. So we are going to go ahead and get our money out, which I have not pulled from my wallet yet, which I know I was procrastinating, but we are going to get there. So I have $30. Now where is my other cash? And we are going to be putting $28. So I have $30, but we are going to take $2 out. I just need to get like either bigger bills, all 100s for this, or I need to put it all in the bank. But if I put it in the bank, I would like spend it, you guys, and I really don't want to do that. All right, so let's count and let's see. So 706 plus 28 will equals to $734 is how much we should have. All right, 100, 200, 300, 240, 60, 80, 400, 20, 40, 60, 80, 500, 20, 40, 60, 80, 600, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 700, and 10, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, and 34. So that is $734. We have $34 right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So $734 is how much we have saved right now, which is exciting. And my pen decided to stop working. This is so great, you guys. Let's see if I can get it to work. There it goes. $28 and $734. So super excited. We're almost to $800 already again. So we should get there sometime in August, if not sooner. All right, so we are towards the end of the video. So the big announcement is that everybody who put in a number next week, and if I choose your number, I am going to be doing a little giveaway. So whoever picks the right number, make sure you are picking a number and commenting down below. So screenshot this and figure out what number I should pick next week. It can be in the lows or the highs. Whoever wins I will contact them, and they would get a, let's say, a $10 to $15 Amazon gift, whatever gift you want off of Amazon. It could be like your most wanted item off of Amazon. It could be a kitchen gadget. It could be budgeting or something like that. $10 to $15. And whoever wins, I will get in contact with you guys, and I will buy whatever you want off of Amazon. It's just appreciation of you always commenting on my channel and everything, and on this video specifically. So I'm super excited to be doing this little mini secret giveaway, if you might say, because it's not going to be on the title or anything, so you have to watch all the way until this point to be included. So that means next week, you guys, get your comments in. You have to have it in by Sunday of next week. So make sure you comment on this video the number that you want to be in the drawing. And if I pick it, then I will get in contact with you, and I will buy your $10 to $15 Amazon gift or item, whatever you want me to do. But anyways, I hope y'all have a great week, and make sure you go and subscribe down below and hit that notification, because every time I upload, like on Tuesdays or Thursdays or Fridays or Saturdays or whenever I upload, then you will be notified and you won't miss any of these videos and any of these secret giveaways, because this is the first secret giveaway that I am doing. So make sure you go and comment, like, subscribe, and hit that notification. And I will see you guys on Thursday for a weekly check-in and Saturday for a stuffing video. See you guys later. Bye.